Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So in today's session I'm going to show you that how can you take trades as per the price action. So now you can see here, you can see I have connected these lines. Okay, I've connected these lines. Let me draw it clearly. Okay, so now you can see I've connected these lines. So here in this zone, okay, let me show you here. This is the level, and now you can see here in this zone market broke this level, but I am seeing here a rejection, so I need to wait, because you can see here the next price action is occurring here. This is the level, so anything in between these areas will continue the market. So let's see. Okay, after a breakout, what I'm seeing here is still a bullish candle, a buyer's entry. Market is making an upwards movement, so let's see. I can easily go here with the buyers because this is the seller's area, and now you can see after this breakout, you can see again we are seeing here a bullish candle, so it means that the next candle will also go up and we will win this trade. So now you can see here, okay, so I need to analyze the market here. You can see here from this point to this point, this was a downtrend here. Now you can see market broke this level very strongly. Now you can see a confirmation candle, so I can go here with the buyers. It is a confirmation candle and I took my trade here. So you will see here market will definitely go up and it has to close as a bullish. Okay, so let's analyze another market here. You can see again the market is trying to break this area very strongly. So if this candle goes up again, we will take another trade as a buy. So let's see what happens here. Okay, again I can go here as a buyer's candle, so let's see. In this zone you can see here the sellers are waiting here, so at least to this level market needs to go up and it has to hit this area with the aim to get the proper situation, but I went with the gap. So you will see here a definite win also. Market will get a strong rejection because you can see buyers are very much in control and the sellers are here. The gap, market needs to go up and it has to make a candle like this. It has to make a candle like this, a green candle. So let's see. Okay, again I am getting the winning trade here, so let's wait. Okay, so I won this one also. Okay, so now you can see here. Okay, so I want to analyze the market here. Okay, here the situation is not good. So in this zone, if I want to go here, I can also use a seller's entry. Okay, but market, you can see sellers enter from this point. You can see I was thinking about this one. So now I need to analyze the market again. So I can easily go here with the sellers again. You can see here I'm only going with the price action, and this is a real breakout, so market needs to go down here. So price action is very important. If you are having a downtrend, price action will be in a downwards direction. If you are in an uptrend, the price action needs to be in an up direction. So now you can see I am winning this trade also. So let's analyze another market. Okay, so you can see here, let me draw it. Okay, now you can see, as I told you, we are winning this trade, so we won this one. Now I'm going to analyze this market here. You can see here, from this point to this point, this was an uptrend. Market broke the level. So where is my entry point now? If market breaks this area, I am going to take my trade here in a down direction. So I will go here in an up direction if market breaks this area. Let me show you here this one. So if market breaks this level, I can go here with the buyers. So now you can see this is a very clear situation here. A very strong candlestick as a price action. Okay, now market is going up, so I need to wait again to go with the buyers or sellers. So now you can see market closed exactly at the level. So anything crosses these lines, the horizontal lines, I am going to take my trade in an up direction here by using the price action. So let's see. Okay, sellers are again entering into the market because of the resistance, so we need to wait. Okay, sellers entered again. Okay, so you can see here it is a rejection, but I will wait here because market can also close here. Okay, now you can see market closed here as a bearish candle, so the next reversal point is here. So if market breaks this level, I will go with the buyers from this point. So I need to wait and I need to check that what's going on. Now you can see here there is a big gap, and because of the big gaps, market can make one or two more candles. So it is an opportunity here. If this candle closes as a bullish strongly, we can go here with the buyers. But now you can see I'm seeing here a very strong candlestick. It is a sign that market again needs to go down. So from this point I can easily go here with the sellers by using the price action. So now the price action is telling me that you need to wait for this level to get the clear shot. But now you can see here market is making a very strong candlestick, so it means that sellers can enter into the market and they can continue their journey in a downward direction. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I have taken my trade here to secure myself more, and for me I know that the next candle needs to go down, but because of this situation that market was going up, I took this trade here. So now you can see market is again going down. So our prediction is working step by step, so I need to wait for the strong candlestick. again you can see I can go here again with the sellers also, but right now the situation is not good because it is a long leg spinning top. Also we can consider it as a sign of continuation, but it's better to wait for a moment, because if we are getting here a bullish candlestick, then we need to wait for these levels. Okay, if here in this zone a strong candlestick breaks the level, we can go here with the buyers easily. So I need to wait. Okay, I need to wait here. I have drawn all the possible levels here. Okay, now you can see again I need to wait. I will wait here for the next candlestick, and now you can see here as per the price action this is the level. So now if the candle breaks this level, now you can see if the candle breaks this level, a strong red candle breaks this level, so then the next level will be this one. So we need to wait. Now you can see I am seeing here a weak candle getting the rejection from the buyers, so I need to wait. Okay, I need to wait because right now I am taking my trades on the basis of price action, so it is pure price action. Now you can see here market is again trying to go up. Okay, crossing the level strongly, so I need to wait again. I need one more candlestick here as a green, a strong candlestick like this. Let me show you here. I want here a strong candlestick like this to break this level, then I can confidently go here with the buyers. So after this breakout the sellers will not enter for sure, and after the breakout I will also take the margin of safety. So let's see. Okay, now again you can see sellers are entering. If these sellers are strong enough to enter in below this line, then I can again go here with the sellers. But now you can see again buyers are trying to push the market in an up direction. Okay, so right now you can see I am getting here a strong breakout, so I can go here with the buyers also, but late entry, a wrong entry point for me. Okay, so let's see. So this trade is totally based upon my luck, because I'm only getting here a new high, I'm getting here in momentum, but as I told you I need here a strong candle to go with the buyers. When I clicked here I thought that market will close here, but market got the rejection, so it is totally my mistake. So because of mistake we can get the OTMs, but let's hope for the best. At this area, as I told you, in between these lines, if there is a big gap, market can make 2 or 3 candles as a bullish, so I need to wait and see. Okay, now I have taken a trade in an up direction, so this is a pure price action. Okay, now you can see here the next levels are here. These are the next levels. Okay, so because of these areas you can see market will definitely make another bullish candle, and this is the level. So now you can see I am taking my trades as per price action. So because of these analysis you can easily get a good winning trade. You can see I took so many trades here by using only the price action. So price action is very much important because these are the points which you need to consider as a continuation or reversal. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment, and if you have any queries, you can ask me on my Telegram, and you can join our trading skill group on Telegram. The link is in the description, and you can also join our trading skills channel on YouTube, so you can also subscribe it. You can also share and comment my videos, and if you have any queries, you can ask me anytime. I'm there for you all. Have a blessed day ahead. Bye for now. Take care of yourself. Bye.